nasty. We had people. We had people. We had people. We hurt. Yeah, we hurt people.
W-E-B.
We hurt people.
We fear people.
We hurt to people. We hurt people.
You're talking about.
The Bobby Nasty versus Dusty Rhodes.
What's the name of the guy with the painted face?
Oh, Dusty Rhodes.
Do you have him?
I have Sammy Guevara.
Is he there?
I used to love him because he was the androgynous, like, what do you call it? Not like he wasn't the dude.
Shelton Benjamin. Bobby Nasty. MJF.
Everything he did.
Sammy Guevara. And Dusty Rhodes. Suplex. Another suplex. Suplex City.
The guy you have is the back guy?
Huh?
The back, look at the
Sammy Guevara.
in the back.
We hurt people. We hurt people. Oh. Tag? Tag is made,
There he
yeah.
goes.
That's my action figure, Sammy Guevara. Oh! Suplex? Oh! Suplex City! Shelton Benjamin. Oh no. Oh, he misses. Oh. Got him right what he wanted for a super kick. Ooh, Semi Garava. He is giving the dust to Bobby Nasty. You know, is that? Oh, is this Shelton Benjamin? I think that's Bobby Lashley. Bobby Nasty. Oh. Ooh. 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 Oh no. Ooh. Okay, Bobby Lashley. The almighty Bobby Lashley. Tigers made to Shelton Benjamin. I'm gonna record all this up to like 11 or 10 minutes. 11 or 10 minutes for my video on YouTube or like TikTok, YouTube or TikTok, maybe both. MJF. I upload it to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna upload it to TikTok actually. That's Shelton Benjamin. Tigers made. Tigers made.